Hey, are you stuck in this question? Am I even good enough to be a designer? You scroll LinkedIn or Behance, see all those fancy portfolios and start thinking like, I will never reach there. If that sounds like you, pause. Take a breath. Let's talk about this thing called impostor syndrome and how to deal with it in a step-by-step manner. You are not alone. Hi, I am Brahmal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. Part 1. It's normal. Every creative feels it. Here is the truth. Every designer, beginner or senior, feels like they don't know anything at some point. Even people with the 5 to 10 years of experience, sometimes they may think, do I really know what I am doing? So if you are feeling like everyone's ahead of me, my designs are basic, I don't belonging in this field, guess what? You are already doing what real designers do. You care. You want to grow. That's a great sign. Part 2. Why you feel this way? Let's break down what is actually happening. You are comparing your chapter 1 to someone's chapter 20. Senior designers have years of practice. Their work should look better. That is very normal. You have consumed too much, practiced too little. Example means you watch 10 tutorials but only practice once. That creates a confusion. So learning comes from doing, not just watching. You are not seeing your own progress. You improved, but you forget what your work looked like 3 months ago. So compare with your past self, not others. Part 3. How to deal with it practically. So what can you do when this not good enough voice hits? 1. Practice small on daily. Set a timer for 30 minutes. Redesign one screen. Even if it is a calculator app, no problem. So do this every day for 2 weeks. You can start feel the difference. 2. Share your work even if it is not perfect. So you can post that on LinkedIn, Instagram, Behance, and you have to put it on the right, work in progress, open to feedback. People love seeing the growth, not just final polished designs. 3. Talk to other beginners. Join the design communities. You will realize you are not behind. You are just in progress. 4. Keep a progress folder. Save all your old projects or screens. Whenever you feel down, go back and compare. You will thank yourself. 5. Remind yourself. Even top designers were beginners once. Every designer starts by feeling lost. Every one of them Googled what is UX at some point. Part 4. Final words. You belong here. Let me say this very clearly. If you are trying, learning, practicing, you are good enough. You just need more reps, more time, not more talent. Success in design doesn't come in one big jump. It comes from showing up daily, doing small work and slowly getting better. Don't wait to feel ready or perfect. Start with messy. Stay kind to yourself. Keep going. And hey, if this video made you feel a little better, drop a heart in the comments. Tell me what's been holding you back. I will try replying to as many as I can. Until then, keep designing, keep doubting. It's normal. But don't stop. You belong in this field.